Welcome to the heart of the world's largest healthcare market, the Texas Medical Center in Houston. Presenting a prime opportunity, a strategic corner lot ideal for biotechnology or pharmaceutical innovation. Put the building and your dreams right here. Surrounded by over 60 prestigious medical institutions, including MD Anderson, the Women's Hospital, Methodist Hospital, not to mention Texas Children's Hospital, the largest children's hospital in the world. In the epicenter of biotechnology, where breakthroughs happen daily, decentralization plays a crucial role in biotech industry. With spaces like this, logistics is easy and all your biomedical products can be delivered in a timely manner. Places like this are in such high demand that they're renting from $20 to $1,000 per square feet per month. Houston biotech market is booming. Be inspired by state-of-the-art lab Helix next door, biohub development worth $250 million. This is your chance to grab this location and maximize its potential with great returns. Secure your competitive edge in biotechnology. This is not just a land. This is your getaway to innovation and success.